Okay, UN's got these hexagons, which means they've all got 6 sides. Which one contains a reflex angle? That's an angle which sort of goes back on itself. It's above 180 degrees, and that's the angle. That's the reflex there, so it's B. Which one's just got one line of symmetry? Well, A will have one there. C, no, can't see any line of symmetry there. None there. 1, 2. It's going to be D, straight down there. It'd be better with a bit of tracing paper. You could trace it and flip it over to check it fits on it itself. So that's D. Which hexagon has a rotational order of symmetry 2, no line of symmetry? Well, it can't be that one, and it can't be that one, because they've got lines of symmetry. And this one here, if you trace C, you'll see it does spin round and fit onto itself as it spins around either way. So that'll be C. And which 2 hexagons are congruent, which means exactly the same size. So you can just trace them and fit them above the other, and you will see that A and E are exactly the same. Okay, so lots more stuff about hexagons. And so you've got table, matchsticks used to make a sequence of patterns of hexagons. That's what it says, and what's happening here, that goes up by 5. Actually, so does that. So that's going to be 21. I've got to complete the table. 21 and then 26. Sequence is continued. How many matchsticks will be when they're 8? Well, I could actually do it, couldn't I? 6, 7, 8. That'll be 31, 36, 41. Probably doesn't really want it that way. It probably wants to get the term for the nth term. And it goes up by 5 each time. So it's going to have to be 5 lots of n. And if we've got 5, the first one's 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. How do I get to 6? I add 1. Let's just check. 3 times 5 is 15. Add 1 makes 16. That's marvellous. Let's try it with 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 1 is 41. Yeah, I'm right. I've now completed the rule. It's times by 5 and then add 1. So I've done that bit. And how many matchsticks will there be when there's, how many hexagons will there be when there's 101 matchsticks? So that's 101. So I'm going to go backwards along here. So I'm going to take away 1 first, which will give me 100. And the opposite of times by 5 is divide by 5. And so that will give me 100 divided by 5 is 20. And that's question 4 done.